Hey Foxx Squad, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I finally got my duvet cover in the mail. It took forever for Z Gallery to mail my duvet cover and the boxes you just saw me unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead, slip my comforter inside the duvet and finish making up my bed. If you're new to my channel, my name is Robbie. I post videos of everything home DIY and decor. And if you're not part of the Foxx Squad, consider becoming part of the family and hit that subscribe button. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So the comforter that I purchased is this Solange King duvet. It is in the color Pearl, which is a whitish color, and it is so pretty, you guys. I wish you can feel it. It sort of feels like a furry texture, but it's not very thick. And look at that. It is just so pretty and silky looking. I think this is gonna look awesome on my bed. Which thing? When I said getting that comforter inside of that duvet cover was a challenge, that is not an understatement. I had the time of my life trying to get that comforter in there. This is what it's looking like so far. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. Sorry the lighting isn't all that great. It's kind of cloudy out. And then I also picked or ordered these 2 boxes from the Z Gallery. They're pretty, but I'm not impressed with the quality of them. The ones that I received had a few scratches on them, and I expected them to be a little bit more luxurious than they are, but they're pretty and they'll serve the purpose. I'm not gonna send them back. It'll be way more hassle trying to send them back than it is to keep them. And then I got them on sale for 30% off anyway, so you can't beat that. And FYI, I do not pay full price for anything. Everything that I buy, I purchase either with a coupon or when the item is on sale. And with the Z Gallery prices, that is probably the only way you should ever buy any of their products. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed day.